All right, sports fans, I wanted to do a real quick video to show you how I start my seeds. Now, this is a trick that I learned from Hucho, and I've started these in a mix of perlite and vermiculite. Vermiculite will sink, perlite will float, and watch how easy this is. All I got is a tub of water here. Go ahead and put that in there. The thing comes right out. Take and just swash your roots around a little, and look at that. See how easy that is to go and separate these now? And the little ones I'm going to take and just not use them. I'm looking for the bigger, better seedlings to use. And that's why I go and plant a couple in each one. And there we go. And those are ready to go and put into my Dutch buckets. Okay, let's do the same. We're going to do this on the lettuce. And again, this is romaine. And this is in the vermiculite and perlite mix. I'm just going to dump it here into water. It comes right out. Swash your seeds around. And there is our rooted plants. I just hope these roots are long enough that we can take and get them into our tubs here and get the roots to hang down in the nutrient. And you can see that there is a pretty healthy amount there on the roots. Just slosh them around a little. And that is going to be all romaine. All I'm going to do is pop my pool noodles out. Now these have been cut to where you can put your plant in there, and you make a little plug out of the pieces that you cut out to go in the middle to take up that space so you're not crushing these plants. I'm going to just do one here to show you. Remember, you're treating these like you would your pet. Take good care of them. Okay, there I go. The plant is in there. I've got roots hanging out the bottom. Put that down in there flush. And you can see that they are going to hang down in my nutrient. Okay, that's all it's going to take to do them. I'm not going to do every one of them because it'd just bore you to death. And we'll call that good on the lettuce. Okay, sports fans, I just want to give you a quick update here and show you what's happened. It's been 18 days since we put everything here in the tubs and in the Dutch buckets. I wanted to show you what our progress is here. You can see the roots. Now, this is romaine, and there's a couple little cabbage plants in there. This is Tropicana. Again, you want to see the roots to that. And this is a DWC setup on all 4 of these tubs. And I'll just take you around and show them to you. Now, we didn't lose a single plant out of any of these that we transplanted. You can see how we have the small air roots up there on top and the larger roots that go right into the nutrient. When I made these tubs up, I even put a sight glass on them so I could tell if the nutrient got down below a certain level. And here I've got more Tropicana, some black seed Simpson, and some cabbage. We just planted the cabbage in here as an experiment to see if we could get a head on it. Here is one bean plant that was planted at the same time in the seedling room with all the others, and it's over 8 foot tall, and it again was planted on the 17th of January. And moving right along, same with all of these other plants. They were all planted on the 17th in the seedling chamber, and they were put in here on the 10th of February, and they've got 18 days worth of growth on them here. And these are all my different tomato plants in the Dutch buckets. Okay, that's going to keep you up to date.